Most people only realize how strict KashKick is when it's already too late. One day everything works fine, and the next day your account is banned or restricted. And the worst part is, most users have no idea what actually triggered it. Here's the truth no one tells you. KashKick does not randomly ban accounts. In almost every case, there is a specific trigger that breaks their trust system. In this video, you'll learn why bans happen in 2026, what you can realistically do to fix it, and how to avoid it in the future. Let's start with the most common reason. The number one cause is suspicious activity detection. KashKick tracks how you complete offers, surveys, and logins. If their system detects unusual behavior like using VPNs, fake information, or multiple accounts, it can automatically flag your account. So if someone like Alex signs up using different emails or switches devices constantly, the system may think it's abuse. Now here's where it gets interesting. Many users don't even realize they triggered the system. Something as simple as completing too many high-value offers too quickly or repeatedly failing verification checks can also raise red flags. The second major reason is violation of offer rules. Every offer on KashKick comes from a third-party partner. If you don't complete the steps correctly, or if the partner detects invalid activity, your account can be restricted. For example, installing an app but not using it as required can trigger a reversal or even a ban. But here's the problem most people miss. They assume KashKick is responsible for everything, but in reality most bans come from partner networks rejecting your activity. Now let's talk about what you can actually do if your account is banned. First, check your email. KashKick usually sends a reason or warning before full restriction. Sometimes it's just a temporary suspension, not a permanent ban. If it is temporary, you may be asked to verify identity or explain recent activity. Second, contact support immediately through their official help system. Be clear, polite, and provide your account details. In some cases, accounts are restored after manual review, especially if the ban was triggered by mistake. Now here's something important. If your ban is permanent due to fraud detection, there is usually no direct way to reverse it. Creating a new account in that case can also lead to another ban, because the system tracks device and payment fingerprints. So prevention matters more than recovery. To avoid future bans, always use real information, avoid VPNs, stick to one account, and complete offers exactly as instructed. Slow and consistent usage is always safer than aggressive earning patterns. So, to summarize, KashKick account bans in 2026 usually come from VPN use, rule violations, or suspicious activity patterns. Some bans can be reviewed and reversed, but many are permanent depending on severity. If this helped you understand what went wrong, leave a comment with your experience, and subscribe for more honest breakdowns of reward apps and how they actually work behind the scenes.